Welcome back, and in this video we will see about join command, how to use join command in an AutoCAD. For example, to use join command in an AutoCAD, we will first draw a line. For example, I have like a drawing a road network which is shown by random lines. So I have drawn this line in an AutoCAD. How do you now you can see that the every part of this uh, line is in parts, but how to show it in a select. But when you are selecting it, you can see that it's only one part is selected and others are separated. But how to join these parts into a single layer? We'll write join command, jo, then we press enter. Now it's coming that saying that select source object or multiple objects to join at once. We'll select this one, this part to join this one and this one. When you will press enter, you can see, if you are now you will select that. Now you can see that whole portion or whole part is being selected. Before that, we can select only one part of this line or any object in AutoCAD. So you can use join command to join these parts. So I can delete this, then I will draw another random line to see or use join command by another method. This one is that you have to go to modify, then go to join this option. So this is another method. You can select points or parts. You are selecting this one, then this one. For example, this is another method, then you can press enter. Now if you will select all of this one, now your all the drawings or the lines in an AutoCAD is being joined. So that's all from this video. So that's the two ways to use join command. We'll see how to explore these join components into individual ones in our next video.